Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's second online lecture of chapter number 6. And the name of chapter number 6 is The Junk Seller. Now today we are going to start and we have to study some sums regarding junk seller. Let us see. But before that, we are start some introduction of money. See, in India, we use rupees and paise as money. If we want to purchase anything, if we want to sell anything, then in India, we are using rupees and paisa as a currency. It is different from country to country. In our daily life, if we purchase the required things which is necessary to survive, so that thing we have to purchase from a shop, and if we pay money to the shopkeeper, then they will give that thing to us. So we can say that for the survival, for the necessary, we need money, and that money in the form of rupees and paisa. Now we can say also money is available in a two forms, and that two forms is coins and currency notes. The shape and the size of coins are changed from time to time. If the timing is changed, if the situation is changed, it different, it they change their form. They change their size and they also change their shape. Nowadays, the coins of 1 paisa to 20 paisa are not in use. The coins of 50 paise, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees are mostly in use. This 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, these all are known as denominations. The shape, size, design of these currency notes are changed from time to time. That already we know that. If the timing is changed, then the shape, size and design of these all things are changed. In case of rupees 1, 2 rupees, 5 rupees denomination, both coin as well as the notes can be used. You can see here there is a coin of 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees. But you can see also the notes of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupees also. So it is not necessary, it is not like that. If some currency have coins, then they do not have notes. Sometimes both things are available for the small denomination. 1 rupee, 2 rupee notes are rarely available now. And nowadays you can't see anywhere the notes of 1 rupees and 2 rupees. But at some place you can see the 5 rupees note also that is available. 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees notes are available nowadays. So, the symbol which is used for rupees is RS. If you want to write down rupees in a small, then you can write down like capital R, then S, then dot. This RS represent rupees. If you want to write down paise, we sometimes we can write down only P, or in mostly you can write down paise. There is no short form for paise. Rarely it is used. The currency in India is a rupees. That already we studied. In India, the currency of India is rupees. So we can say that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Now let us see here. You can see here the front side and the back side of some of the coins. So you can see here the coins of rupees 1, 2, 5 and 10. You can see also the back side of these coins also. Now let us see the picture of notes. You can see here the notes of rupees 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. These all are the notes of different denomination. And also here you can see the front side and back side of these all notes. Now let us see. Let us see one method that is known as box multiplication. If we want to see the multiplication of 32 and 12, how we can do the multiplication of 32 and 12? So first you have to write down the expanded form. You have to write down the expanded form of 32. So the expanded form of 32 is 30 plus 2. As well as you can write down the expanded form of 12. So what is the expanded form of 12? That is the 10 plus 2. Now here you have to make one table, that is 2 by 2, 2 columns and 2 rows. First you have to write down 30 and 2, and after that just write down the expanded form of 10 plus 2. It's a 12. Now what you have to do? What thing you have to write down in the first box? In the first box you have to write down the multiplication of 30 and 10. So 30 multiplied by 10, that is the 300. Now in a second box you have to write down the multiplication of 2 and 10. What is the multiplication of 2 and 10? It's a 2 multiplied by 10. It's a 20. Now in the third box you have to write down the multiplication of 30 and 2. So just write down 30 multiplied by 2. 32 is 60. Now in the fourth box you have to write down the multiplication of 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4. So just do the multiplication of 2 multiplied by 2. It is a 4. Now in this 4 box you are getting some values, that is the 300, 20, 60 and 4. Now what you have to do? You have to just do the addition of this 4 number. 300 plus 20 plus 60 plus 4. What is the total? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 2 plus 6, 8 and 3 as it is. So your answer is 384. Let us see one another example of box multiplication. In this you have to do the multiplication of 28 and 27. What is the answer of 28 multiplied by 27? First, you have to write down the expanded form of 28. So it is a 20 plus 8. Now next, you have to write down the expanded form of 27. What is the expanded form of 27? It is a 20 plus 7. Now draw one box of 2 by 2 because in this question, you have to do the multiplication of 2 digit multiplied by 2 digit. Therefore, you have to make the box of 2 by 2. Now your next step is you have to write down the expanded form. So first expanded form of 28, that is the 20 plus 8. So just write down 20 and 8. Now next you have to write down the expanded form of 27. It is a 20 plus 7. Now in first box, whose multiplication you have to write down? You have to write down the multiplication of 20 and 20. What is the multiplication of 20 multiplied by 20? So we can say that 20 multiplied by 20, that is the 400. How it comes? See here. In a 20 and 20, 2 0 are there. So just put 2 0. And then 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. So it is 400. Now next you have to do the multiplication of 20 and 8. What is the answer of 28 za? 20 multiplied by 8. 1 0 are there. So you just put 1 0 and then write down the answer of 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16. So 160, that is the answer. Now you have to do the multiplication of 20 and 7. Again, in a 20, 1 0 are there. So just put 1 0 in the right hand side and then write down 2 7s are. 2 7s are 14. So 140, that is the answer. Now in the last box, you have to write down the multiplication of 7 and 8. As you know already. What is the answer of 8 7s are? That is the 8 7s are 56. Now in this 4 box, you are getting the digit? Yes. So what you have to do? You have to just do the addition of this all digit. 400 plus 160 plus 140 plus 56. So the addition of this all number is 0 plus 0 plus 0 6, then 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So 5 and 1 carry. Then 4 plus 1 5, plus 1 6 and plus 1 7. So your answer is 756. These all are the multiplication of 2 by 2, means 2 digit multiplied by 2 digit. Now what about if there is 3 by 1, means 3 digit multiplied by 1 digit. And this multiplication you have to solve by box multiplication method. Let us see how we solve these all things. See here, you have to just do the multiplication of 145 multiplied by 8. So, you have to write down first expanded form of 145. That is the 100 plus 40 plus 5. Now you don't want to need to write down the expanded form of 8 because the expanded form of 8 is only 8. Now here it is 1 by 3. So you have to just draw 3 box and write down the expanded form of 145, 140 and 5. Now which number is remaining? 8. So just write down here 8. Now do the multiplication of which number first? 100 multiplied by 8. So write down 100 multiplied by 8. So it is a 800. Now write down the multiplication of 40 and 8. So 40 multiplied by 8. 0 is there. So just put right side 1 0 and then write down the answer of 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32. So 320, that is the answer. Now in the last box, you have to do the multiplication of 5 and 8. 5 8s are, as you know already, 5 8s are 40. Now do the addition of these all 3 digits. 800 plus 320 plus 40. Do the sum. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 2 plus 4 6 and 8 plus 3 11. So 1160, that is the answer. Now let us see one another sum of 3 by 1. Here you have to do the multiplication of 136 multiplied by 9. So first step, you have to write down the expanded form of 136. So expanded form of 136 is, the expanded form of 136 is 100 plus 30 plus 6. Here one mistake is that instead of 145, you have to take 136. Now here you have to do the multiplication of 3 by 1. So 3 box you have to draw. Write down the expanded form 100, 30 and 6. Now 9 is alone, so just write down 9. Now do the multiplication of first box. In the first box you have to write down the multiplication of 100 multiplied by 9. So 100 multiplied by 9 is equal to, we can say, 900. Now in second box you have to write down the multiplication of 30 multiplied by 9. So 30 9s are 100, 270 is 1 0 is there, and then 9 3s are 27. Now in the last box you have to write down the multiplication of 6 and 9. 6 9s are, you have to write down. So 6 9s are 54. Now in this 3 box, 3 numbers are there. Now do the addition of these 3 numbers. 900 plus 270 plus 54. So your answer is 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10 and 10 plus 2, 12. So your answer is 1224. I hope you all understand these sums very easily. So do more and more practice of these sums. Thank you all of you.